Have you ever wondered what the dark web is? Well, it's an encrypted part of the internet, hidden from the prying eyes of regular search engines or browsers. Quite like a secret club, where the main passcode is anonymity. This is its allure, its magnetism. But just as a coin has two sides, so does this. This cloak of invisibility, this mask of anonymity, it also opens up a world of potential dangers, the proverbial Pandora's box, if you will. Why should you steer clear of the dark web, you ask? Here are some reasons. The dark web is like a buzzing marketplace for criminals. It's where drug cartels, weapon dealers and human traffickers operate with impunity, shielded by the cloak of anonymity. It's a space where danger lurks around every corner and where law enforcement struggles to keep up. But the threats don't stop there. The dark web is teeming with malware and hacking tools. Just by clicking a download button, you could be inviting a Trojan horse into your device. And the worst part? Malicious actors can use these tools to track your real IP address, shattering your illusion of anonymity. Scams are another pitfall. Phishing sites, fake marketplaces, they're all there, waiting to pounce on the unwary. They exist with one goal: to steal your money or your information. And with the cover of anonymity, who are you going to report to? Perhaps most horrifying is the access to highly unethical or illegal content. This includes things like child abuse imagery, which is not only morally repugnant, but also punishable by severe legal penalties. Yes, there may be some legal content on the dark web, but let's be clear, the risks far outweigh any potential benefits. So if you think the dark web is a realm of intrigue and excitement, think again. It's more like a hive of danger and criminal activity. So, what if you want to maintain online privacy without stepping into the dark web? Let's not venture into the dangerous realm of the dark web. Instead, consider safer alternatives like virtual private networks or VPNs, which can shield your online activities. Encrypted messaging apps can secure your conversations from prying eyes. And remember, legal ClearNet websites pose much less risk than the dark web. Stick to the well-trodden path of the World Wide Web. Remember, your safety should always come first, and the dark web is no place to take chances. In conclusion, the dark web is a dangerous place that should be avoided at all costs. Its encrypted nature lures in dangerous criminals, and the risk of stumbling upon unethical content is high. Malware, scams, and the potential for tracking are all too prevalent. Safer options such as VPNs and encrypted messaging apps are available for those seeking privacy. The ClearNet, with its legal websites, poses far less risk. Please stay safe online and avoid the dark web. If you have any other topics you want explained, drop a comment below.